Hi, folks. Let's talk about the shutdown. Here are the facts. Republicans have the House, the Senate, and the president, so the shutdown is on them. But I want to talk about negotiating tactics. So far, Democrats have asked for health care in order to reopen the government. And on the other side, the GOP has gutted Medicaid and ACA or Obamacare subsidies. This is going to end health care for millions of Americans and will double or worse insurance premiums for 24 million Americans. And it's predicted to eventually lead to the deaths of 50,000 more Americans. So that's the state of today's MAGA GOP. But the problem is, Democrats are approaching these negotiations all wrong. Look, in any negotiation, you should ask for more than you expect. Trump certainly does this. If you're selling your house or your car, you ask for more than you expect and then you negotiate. But we only asked for health care and we made it a non negotiable. So if we cave on that, we look terrible. And if Republicans cave on that, they look terrible. And guess what? Neither side is going to cave. So we've painted ourselves into a square corner, as we used to say in the F-16, a situation you can't get out of. What Democrats should do is ask for, I'd say, five things. Pick them: healthcare, reduce tariffs, no National Guard deployments, Ukraine, health research, science research. Pick five issues. Then both sides can negotiate, give a little, actually govern, declare victory, and we get the government open. But here's another idea I would throw in there. Democrats should demand that the Epstein files be released. Of course, they're not going to do that, but it makes it loud and clear that they have something to hide. So let's keep the pressure on them for Epstein. So my plan's simple: demand more concessions, demand that the Epstein files get released, come to a deal, and get Texans the health care they demand and deserve.